I don't know how people are getting sales without social media today. In this video, I'm going to explain to you exactly step by step how I've done it, what I do, and all the advantages that I've gotten and that you're going to get from expanding your social media. So there's two types of social media advertising. One is a paid type of advertising where you're paying Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, and you're running ads, which you should know I run very few of because I don't think that they're effective. I think that they're cold. It's the equivalent of cold calling people, which I'm incredibly against. I haven't made a cold call in almost a decade. And then you have the other type of social media, which is what I like to call organic social media. My personal favorite to get business is LinkedIn, but you're taking that exact same video and you're posting that same thing on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter. Am I forgetting one? Let's say Snapchat. I don't really use Snapchat all that much. WhatsApp status, which is huge. You might say to yourself, I'm not such an extrovert. I like flying under the radar. I haven't done it until now. Why should I start? I'll tell you from my perspective, everyone always asks me, why do you do this? What is the advantage? Number one is I like to help people. Number two is genuinely, I actually do like to be on camera. But number three, and maybe most importantly, when I go into a conference or when I get onto a phone call or when I put out an event, people know who I am. So that means that if my product, let's say $10, and my competitor's product costs $9, people are going to pay the extra dollar to work with me because I am Big B. That's my name sometimes that I use online. This coffee right here, it's the same concept. It's called a brand, right? This coffee right here is worth 25 cents. I got it from the Keurig machine. But if this coffee had a little Starbucks emblem on it, it would be worth $2. Everybody wants to be associated with a brand. People know Starbucks, they like it, they trust it. So you have to turn yourself into the Starbucks of your industry. So the way you do that, first of all, is showing up every single day. And at first, it could be discouraging because your videos might get 148 views. Forget about likes, views. But like anything, it has a snowball effect. So the more you're posting and the more content you're putting out, the more people are going to watch your stuff and become your fans. And they like it and they share it and you grow and grow and grow. You know, I have over 100,000 followers on YouTube, almost 200,000 followers on Instagram, 70,000 followers on LinkedIn, over 200,000 followers on TikTok. You might say, you know, very easy for Berel Solomon to say, but don't forget, I started with 0 followers, just like everybody else. When I go into a meeting, I automatically have an advantage. It doesn't matter if I'm pushing real estate or if I'm pushing coaching or video production or recruiting or watches for that matter. One day I'm going to come out with a brand. You'll see, mark my words, you'll see this video in 5 years from now. It'll be called the Wealthy Watches. No matter which meeting or which game I'm playing, I automatically have an unfair advantage over somebody who is not currently branding themselves on social media. Practically speaking, how do you start is you stop watching this video and you immediately post. And what do you post? Good question. You just share what is going on in your life. You could post, I just watched a great video by Berel Solomon. It's Sunday and you have to park with your kids. You take a picture and you throw that up on LinkedIn. LinkedIn loves family stuff. Whatever it might be, you're just sharing what it is that is going on in your life, and you're going to create brandability and you're going to create relatability and you're going to create a following that will buy from you, that will love you. You might say to yourself, well, I don't sell anything. You know, I'm an employee in a company. Why do I need social media? And the answer is the company that you are working for one day will fire you, or you will quit, or it will go bankrupt. When any of those things happen, you will find yourself in a position that you need to go work for another company. So let's say you're interviewing at another company, you walk in, candidate A, who's an unknown, and candidate B walks in, and that person, as he or she is walking into that door, people are like taking selfies with them, and the boss recognizes them. Who do you think is going to get that job? Candidate B. Candidate B took the time to make sure that the market knew who they were. I hope this brought you value. My name is Berel Solomon. If this is your first time on my channel, please smash that subscribe button. Please leave me a like, leave me a comment. I love you dearly. God bless. Thank you for being here with me. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with your boy Big B. Thank you.